everyone, Chef Rob Schwam here with Link 2, and you're cooking in the kitchen with Rob. Today what I'm going to be showing you is rethermalizing in the Blodgett Mini Combi BLCT-6E-H. Using the retherm process, I'm able to go from a cold plate to a serving temperature in 8 to 12 minutes. So this is the Mini Combi which I'll be showing you, but you're also able to get the large 202 roll-in combi. And what that is I can fit 200 plates in at one time and be able to come out in 12 minutes in a banquet facility. So the idea behind retherming is that a chef can prepare all the food fully cooked. It's cooked to perfection. It's blast chilled. The plate is assembled cold and fired back whenever the banquet is ready for their food. So after the blast chiller, it's time for the cold plate up. Now you can do this 2 days in advance and plate the food, present it how the chef would like, and put it in normal refrigeration until you're ready for your 200 plate banquet. So it's the day of the wedding, we're ready for the big banquet. The chef comes in the morning and wants to put the oven into retherm mode, and this is how you do it. You'll go into manual and you'll hit the retherm. From here you can control the temperature. So from 86 to 356, I know personally that the protein reacts really great in about 250 to 275 degrees for the denseness of what I'm trying to do today. So I have 248 degrees. Under retherm mode, it shoots in a lot of moisture because you don't want to dry anything out. It's a nice warm environment at 250 degrees with about 80 to 90% humidity in there. And I have 100% fan. So the banquet manager just told us that we have 10 minutes to go. The best man is just finishing his speech, and in 10 minutes they want the food. So ideally, this is a mini combi, but ideally I'm gonna wanna roll in a huge rack filled with 200 plates, and from there, have them all come out in the same exact time. I have my timer set to 10 minutes. And in 10 minutes, we'll sauce and get it out of there so that people will get fed. My 10 minutes is up and my plates are ready. So completely reconstituted from cold, beautiful. In a normal banquet, I would have 4 people each side of the table loading plates up and firing off. With the retherm, I can do 2 people, 1 person putting plates down and 1 person saucing and putting it out. Here we have surf and turf with pomme puree and asparagus using the retherm mode in the Blodgett Combi. My name is Chef Rob Schwam with Link 2, and this is Cooking in the Kitchen with Rob.